Alright, do a little nature walk. I'm told that there are mushrooms out. Morels. Question is though, did they leave me any? We got a nice piney woods. It was rained yesterday. Actually, it rained a little today, so see, one thing that irks me about people is they come out and they pick the morels, but they take them all. It's like, bro, leave some for some of us. I just want some to throw in tonight's dinner. Sorry if I'm swinging the camera around. I got eyes peeled for tasty mushroomy goodness. Man, it's really nice out here. Really nice. Got some downs. Ooh. The base of this pine tree might go across the street too. I just want a few. I'm gonna have some that popped up somewhere. I know my morels. It's one of the few things I actually do know, so. Put morels in tonight's dinner. Alright. Kind of view I'm looking at. So different from Western Washington. My camp, the river is just over there, which I hope to get down to. But I camped in an area similar to this, just on the other side of my usual camping grounds. So, still looking. I haven't found a jack for morel yet. But I know there are people who just hunt morels, which is fine, but they don't leave any for the hungry. You know, all these beautiful piney woods here. So it would really, I gotta remind myself to look up every now and then, so I don't startle some big snarling something or other. And there's just firewood everywhere. Even though it's a busy campground, there's still firewood everywhere. Love that. Alright, I don't want to go too far. It would suck to get lost out here. It would really suck. I mean, literally. I mean, I got a knife on me, GNS, but I don't have a tarp. Don't have a fire starter. I take that back. I do have a lighter. I got my regular everyday carry. I got my lighter. So I could do shavings and then make a what? maybe make a fire. Do some shavings and or some feather sticks, which I'm not great at, but as long as I can get something going. First, I got my, I just did a review on this, the Woobin C3. That's in my pocket. And then I got my SAK. But if I shouted or screamed bloody murder, they might hear me, come looking for me. There's others back at camp, so I told them I was going to go look for, take some pictures. Excuse me. Alright. So I think I'm going to do is I'm going to look around this area here and then sweep and start heading back. That's really cool. You can actually see the all the landslide damage. Very cool. Could have been snow because I'm looking around on the ground here, and I think this place was under a lot of snow at some point because the way all the foliage looks. Just trying to see if I can get down to or closer to the water. Oh, yep, we can. Just following sort of a trail someone else had made. Yeah, see how everything's all pushed over? Sweet. Well, at least I have a place to come and wash out my cook pot. Badass. All right, I just saw the poking head. There's one right there. Ah, sweet. Yeah, let's harvest this sucker. All right. Cut that guy off. Hollow base. We get ourselves a morel. Sweet. Like I just found gold out here. Excellent. It's not a blonde either. I've never had the other kind, these kinds. Totally hollow. I gotta look around for more. Well, unfortunately, I only found the one. And I didn't find any others. This whole little area, I basically zigzagged, a very tight zigzag back and forth, looking for more. A lot of pine cones that I had to look around, but damn, just one morel? You're kidding me. Somebody must have come through already and harvested them all. Still a hell of a nice view though. Being very antisocial, but can't be helped. Still the pine cones that I missed. I was checking. I mean, I didn't kick over every pine cone, but I checked all through here. Checked in the grass. Ooh. Yeah, don't fall forward and down the cliff. That tree would make great firewood. If you needed it, because it's already cut, pretty much. Just pulling it off. Damn, I was hoping for at least 5. That's a bummer. Someone must have come through already. Guess I'll head back with my puny one, which I'm going to eat anyway. Because there's no point in harvesting it if I'm not going to eat it. I got dinner already planned, so I guess I'll probably just eat it by itself. I'm a little bummed out there weren't more. Oh well. I still gotta try across the street too. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Oh, I got something growing over here, mushroom-esque. Can't really tell what they are though, so without positive identification, I ain't eating them. Which is really sad too, because they could be delicious. So I'm gonna check through here. I'm on the other side of the road. See if we got a few morels popping up.